Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is September the 16th, 2022. We're going to talk about these two addresses that is controlling around 46% of all the transactions that is going on the merge that has finally occurred for Ethereum. And now we are at a proof of stake mechanism for this currency, and only two addresses control about 46% of the transactions. That doesn't seem like it's too decentralized now, does it? We're going to talk about that today. We're going to see if it's going to have any impact on Ethereum's price. That's my main focus, is to see where price is going to go without the confusion. So if y'all want to join me, welcome to the channel. I create the price predictions in a simplistic way so that we can kind of follow and maneuver through the cryptocurrency market without being confused. So if you guys want to join me today, it's your first time seeing my videos, then hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe. All right, so let's talk real quick first about this article, and then I'll go into my price prediction that I've garnered into the market for Ethereum. It is from Finbold. You guys can see only two addresses control 46% of all of Ethereum's proof of stake nodes for processing transactions after the merge. So the merge has been successful, it's completed, and looking at it, two addresses only control 46%. Now we're trying to maintain that cryptocurrency is supposed to be decentralized, and we already can tell after the merge that two addresses is controlling 46%. 46%. Think about that. Now obviously it's going to change, but just seeing it from out the gate, we need to stand back and see how this transition of Ethereum being proof of work going into proof of stake is going to affect the overall Ethereum community. I understand that they're trying to reduce the cost of processing these transactions, trying to make Ethereum more efficient by going to proof of stake. But we also want to make sure that we try to stay decentralized. We don't want Ethereum to become more centralized, right? So you guys can see a little bit of the highlighted portion of this article. September 15th, the Ethereum post-merge inflation analysis indicated that 46.15% of Ethereum's proof of stake nodes are controlled by two addresses. Data by blockchain analysis platform Sentiment indicates, right? The first address has validated already on post-merge 188 blocks, okay, accounting for 28.97%, while the second address has processed about 16 point or about 105 blocks, which is around 16.18%. Okay, so you guys can see a screenshot right here from Sentiment's analysis. Okay. Now, nodes, they play a crucial role as they commit stakes. They get the word proof of stake of tokens for a set period in exchange for a chance at being selected to produce the next block of transactions. Okay. Now, the dominance of the two addresses slightly goes against Ethereum's general visions of decentralization. With staking, Ethereum hopes to distribute the control of the blockchain to all, an aspect challenging to achieve with the energy-intensive proof-of-work blockchain. Now, I found this article from Benzinga right here on how to stake. Now, in order for you to stake or become a node on this proof-of-stake blockchain for Ethereum, you need to have 32 Ether tokens to stake your crypto as an independent node. And you can do so on Ethereum software wallets like Argent. If you don't have 32 Ether tokens to stake, but you still want to earn interest, you can stake any amount of Ether on Coinbase. So in order for you to be independent, in order for your address to process transactions, you got to have 32 Ether to be an independent node. If you don't have it, you can stake whatever Ether you have on certain other exchanges to earn interest on your Ethereum, because I'm quite sure like Coinbase, a lot of these other cryptocurrency exchanges have enough ETH to become independent nodes to where they can stake as well. Right. And I think they were going to distribute some of the interest or the fees that they receive from the transactions that they commit off of their addresses. All right. So just want to talk about that real quick. Now, let's talk about this price though. Post merge, what's going to happen? You guys can see that I did a video in Ethereum right there on September the 9th, right? looking for the price in Ethereum to continue to rise, and it did, but for only 3 days. The market in Ethereum, you all can see it simple right here. That price in Ethereum got rejected. Didn't go no higher, stayed there, got rejected, price came down, right? Now, if you saw this right here on this particular day, if you saw this occur, the 13th of September, Ethereum falling 8.25% in one day. That was a clue, right? We got to take notice of the clues that we see on the chart. We were bullish, looking for Ethereum to go up on September the 9th. And then on the 13th, we saw Ethereum fall 8.25%. Dead giveaway for us to tell us we need to come and reevaluate the situation. So hopefully you was able to come through the market in Ethereum on the 10th, 11th, and the 12th to bag almost 5%. Because if you were to get out the market now, we will be down around 13, almost 14%. Okay, so let's cut that out. Post-merge, let's see what's going to happen, because these 2 days, I don't like them. If we're trying to look for the price in Ethereum to rise, these 2 days says a lot. Okay, it tells us that the overall market in Ethereum is not strong. Just those 2 days alone, we need to take note of this. Okay, let's look at this on the 3-day chart. In Ethereum, you guys can see it here, even here on the 3-day chart. This is not a good sign. We should not see that on top of, look at all the volume that came through. So there was a lot of selling going on into the market in Ethereum on that particular 3-day price bar. 2 days, you guys can see the last two 2-day price bars. The market in Ethereum has gone just completely kaput. Went down. 5-day chart, again, it doesn't look bullish, right? Ethereum doesn't look bullish. Very widespread, the volume is high, and then on top of that, that rejection area or resistance area that I identified previously also shows us the same thing. I'm just giving you all clues that the market is trying to let us know whether it is bullish or bearish. And looking at all of this information so far, how would you weigh it? Is the market more bullish or is it more bearish? Now, the question that we need to answer or try to figure out is, will the market in Ethereum hold this level? That's something that we need to talk about, because if it is, then Ethereum is not going to go that low. $1,400. But currently the environment is for us to expect Ethereum to continue to trend to the downside. To the buyers, to those who are bullish, you need to see buyers continue to hold $1,400 though. If we see that, that's going to be a great sign, because it simply tells us that the market in Ethereum is just trading sideways, right? Especially if we see it continually hold $1,400. But right now, our expectation needs to be looking for Ethereum to go down. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart. So if we were to expect Ethereum to continue to fall, and let's say that $1,400 is next, that's almost 5% movement to the downside. Okay, 5%. That's my first price target. We see the market in Ethereum fall and break $1,400. The next area is going to be around $1,290, $1,290, which is around 12.5%, all the way down to my third price target, which is going to be $1,200, which is 18.29, and we're going to hold some rejection or resistance around 1750. Okay, so this is the current idea that I'm looking at into the market in Ethereum. This is where I'm thinking the price is going to go, all because of what we've noticed on the chart. Now my eyes is going to be focusing on $1,400 though, because that's the opportunity that the buyers can convince me that the market in Ethereum is going to hold there. We see the market in Ethereum hold $1,400, and then the price begins to go back up. That's where we need to take the bag. That's where we need to profit into the move, and don't expect it to go no lower. So I'm keeping my eyes open on that $1,400 price. Okay, so let me hold that arrow there. And that's it. I want you all to tell me, what do you think though? Where do you think Ethereum is going to go next? You think we're going to trend a little bit lower, maybe hold $1,400 and begin to go back up? Or do you think we're going to go all the way down to $1,200? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.